We're introducing the complex numbers, and we're going to start by taking a look at our imaginary unit here, which is defined as I equals the square root of -1. So anytime we take the square root of -1, we're going to get I. Root -1 will always equal I. Well, because the square root and a number squared is the inverse operation, that would imply that I squared equals -1. Where this is coming from is, remember, let's think back before we knew complex numbers to like taking the square root of 4. That would equal 2, which means that 2 squared is 4. So that's the same idea. We're not changing the operation here of taking square roots and squaring numbers, but we're just going to work with the complex numbers. So when we get into examples like this, where we're taking the square root of -7, this is thought of as, well, the square root of -7 we know is the same thing as the square root of -1 times 7. Which we know we can break up as the square root of -1 times the square root of 7. That -1 will always be the I when we take the square root of it. Now root 7, I can't do anything with that, so my solution is just this, because root 7 stays root 7, it doesn't simplify. So in each of these examples, they're starting by rewriting it as recognizing there is a -1 here that we can separate off and leave the whole number as itself. Taking those products, we can separate them into the product of those two radicals so that we can bring out the I.